In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva AI to design like a pro, step by step for beginners. We'll start right in the browser and go from your very first prompt to a polished layout you can download. Even if you're brand new to Canva, this process is simple, and I'll share practical tips along the way so you get great results the first time. Open Canva in your browser and head to the home page. From here, either create a new design or open an existing one you want to improve. If you're starting fresh, choose a canvas size that fits your project, like a flyer, social post, or presentation slide. Once your canvas is open, you're ready to tap into Canva's AI features. Look for the AI button or magic write in the editor toolbar, or inside a text box if you're working with text. This is where you'll give Canva instructions in plain language and let it do the heavy lifting. In the prompt field, describe exactly what you want. For example, type something like, "Create a modern flyer for a bakery." You can add helpful details such as the vibe you want, key colors, or a short description of the audience. Being specific makes the results stronger. Click Generate and give Canva a moment to create the content. In a few seconds, you'll see AI-produced text and layout suggestions appear. If the first draft isn't quite right, tweak your prompt with clearer wording or add one or two details, then generate again until it matches your vision. Now customize the AI-generated design. Edit the text to reflect your message, adjust fonts for readability, and fine-tune colors to suit your brand or theme. Rearrange elements to improve balance, and use alignment guides to keep everything neat. Check contrast between text and background so it's easy to read, and play with spacing to create a clear visual hierarchy. Little tweaks here make a big difference. Repeat the process for other elements as needed. You might generate a headline, supporting copy, captions, or alternate sections for additional pages. Each pass refines your overall design and keeps the style consistent. When you're happy with the result, save or download your final design. Give the file a clear name and pick a format that fits your goal, like PNG or JPG for online use or PDF for printing. And that's it. That's how you use Canva AI to design like a pro in 2025. Thanks for watching.